David from the Redneck Garage with Devin.
Hey!
Kristen.
Hey!
Mama Bear. Say so. What?
Mama Bear.
Let me film her. Come here. We're waiting for a Jeep to pull in because we're going to look at a Jeep that Devin has purchased that I think probably I'll have to work on.
Probably. There's a little bit of work to be done.
So we'll see if she makes it. Hang on. TJ action. Awesome. Well, it's a Jeep. We're going to see if she can keep from rolling it out the end of the driveway. All right, tell me about it. Lauren, this is your Jeep?
Yeah.
Okay, are you excited?
Welcome to YouTube.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. She's a rock star in high school, cheerleader, super cool. She's one of the cool kids. All right, tell me about the Jeep.
99 CJ. About
It's
100.
not a CJ, by the way.
Oh, excuse me. I'm so used to saying CJ because of our other
Right.
Jeep is a CJ. It's a 99 Wrangler Sahara model.
It's a TJ.
It's TJ.
There you go.
Excuse me.
It is a Sahara. It's got a Sahara sticker anyway.
Yeah. I don't know.
The Sahara's had the appearance package here.
Right.
The fender flares were the same color, and it had that rocker panel that went across the back. And
then
here, where they've taken
seats.
like Krylon on it. That's
Yeah.
nice. I like that.
Something definitely happened on this side. The other side looked pretty smooth. So I'm guessing they hit something on this side.
Got some. Uh-oh. Gonna need fenders. Some point. It's got the old Wrangler fender rot.
I think that's the only noticeable piece. I mean, I'm sure there's other pieces, but
Yeah. Well, they've repaired them at some point. Let's see. It might have a little Bondo in it, but not too bad at all. Body's pretty shapy. They're going to have to get some floor mats or spray the liner in it.
we
It's
do
good.
have a floor mat.
Oh, they do.
They do not have carpet in the front and carpet in the back.
Well, let me tell you, this is rare to see one with the floor pans that are that good. Those are in nice shape. That looks great. It's got the typical interior.
Upgraded radio.
Yeah. It's got a Sony. It's got the older style square on the 99s to 2002, I think. But the floor plans are in good shape.
Notice anything underneath, but I couldn't really get super far into there.
Yeah, this side's in a little better shape than the driver's side. Muffler at some point, but the frame is in really nice shape. Looks pretty solid. There's no patch panels. It looks good. This is a true southern Jeep. It wasn't from up north because you can see the body mounts aren't rusted out with flaky crap all over it. And the frame is in really decent shape. There's your trouble spot right there where it curves. And yeah, that's great. That's awesome. It's got a 4.0. Let's take a look at that. Oh, yeah. Typical 4.0. You drove it back from Knoxville, though, didn't you?
Did.
Drove good?
Drove good. Temperature stayed under control. Had enough get up and go. Did not have any air, so it was a little warm.
That is a condensed. Right here's your drain. And that's water. Okay, I thought it was oil, but it's water. So we'll see how long the AC works. It may just needed a charge. You know, eventually these are going to need a charge on them, but who knows? I like it.
Yeah.
Hasn't been wrecked in the front. That's the original hood. You can see the catalyst sticker here. Usually if it's been replaced, it needs a new catalyst sticker.
No apparent oil stain or oil leakages. Or
Yeah, it looks
anything,
good and
so-
dry. Power steering, automatic.
Was
I
a
like
must
it.
for Lauren.
Somebody actually reused this thing, which is unbelievable. That's the first thing I'd throw away.
Was that just an insulator?
Yeah. It actually has a sensor underneath the battery to sense battery temperature because it's going to charge higher or lower. And sometimes those are a pain in the butt when you're working on them. It's had a dirt dauber on there. That's nice. That's a Tennessee dirt dauber right there. And the big question is, why do they have the top up?
Because it was supposed to rain about right now.
Oh, okay.
We haven't
Yeah.
taken it off to see.
I like
Relatively
it.
new top, and the wheels look great.
Yeah, almost new.
Just put it on within the last year, and new tires within the last year, supposedly.
New tires, man. And what did you pay for it?
$5,700.
So you got her down to 57. For a Jeep this this condition, that's actually a really good deal. There's YJs going for over $5,000 that have issues, so I think that he got a really good deal on it. 4.0s are brick motor, they're great, so we'll see. Got some stuff to do to it, but I think overall I like it. She's gonna need some seats probably.
Yep. This seat's torn up
Oh yeah, there you go.
for sure. The others aren't in that bad of shape, but
Those are factory, but has the sound bar in it, which is unusual. That was an upgrade. I think that was the Sahara edition. They put the sound bar in. Might need speakers or something. Do the speakers work?
yeah, it works great.
Wow, that is cool. So he brought somebody else, his daughter Lauren, into the Jeep family. How cool is that?
Another addition.
Now here's the question: did you run a Carfax on it?
Haven't yet.
Have not. Oh, okay. So we don't know if it's stolen or not.
It
but
was a. That's right.
no idea. This is the only janky part is these fender flares where they've been scraped up and they painted with Krylon or something.
Yep.
But that's an easy fix. And the fender probably will have to be replaced at some point because that rot's going to just get worse. Because they rust from the inside out, not the outside in. Feels like somebody's repaired it at some point. That's really, really common with these. And it is a factory fender because there's your VIN plate, your VIN sticker on it. So maybe need a fender at some point, but wow, it's a nice looking little Jeep. She should be really happy with that. We're going to wait to see on the AC whether it keeps a charge or whether it's got a leak. Never know.
Never know. And it's got a little bit of an exhaust leak, so you can hear
Well,
it.
it's a Jeep, so
Yep.
yeah, it's got an exhaust leak.
But air and a little bit of exhaust and a little touch-up work.
That's minor stuff, man. Love it. She love it.
She's super excited.
Awesome.
She pulled up at the last stoplight and said, I bet I look really good in this.
That's awesome. Call Department of Children's Services. They've gone topless. Ah! So what do you think of your Jeep?
I like it.
You like it?
I love it.
Okay, that's better. Awesome.
More of it.
She's rocking the Jeep. She's Jeep life now.
Jeep life.
So you're gonna have to teach her how to wave.
Yeah, you gotta give the
You gotta wave. Yeah, you got it already. Awesome. Way to go, Lauren. All right, so that's a walk around on the Jeep. I'm feared that there's a leak in the air conditioner. It felt like a little oily. It didn't feel like water, but that time will tell on that. We'll be doing some work on it. Probably a little touch-up work. Who knows?
Yep, absolutely.
Maybe some bed liner. Might be this one getting bed liner than the other one, because that's really kind of a cool thing to do is put bed liner in it. And with the way this one is, it wouldn't be that hard to spray the bed liner. Take the seats out, be the time to replace the seats. Some minor stuff, but I'm thrilled for them. I think it's a great little Jeep.
Absolutely.
And it made it back from Knoxville, which is how many hours?
2.5, well, 3 on the Jeep.
So it drove for 3 hours without breaking down, so it's a good Jeep. I'm David and Devin from the Redneck Garage. Keep watching.
Turning wrenches.
Yeah, he knows it. He knows it. We'll be doing some more work on this one.